Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best waxing strips for face is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone seeking smooth, hair-free skin, offering a convenient and effective solution for at-home hair removal. These specialized strips are designed to target delicate facial areas, ensuring precision and minimizing irritation, making them a go-to choice for achieving salon-quality results without leaving your home. Whether you're dealing with upper lip hair, stray chin hairs, or shaping your eyebrows, the right waxing strips can make all the difference in achieving a flawless finish that boosts your confidence and simplifies your beauty routine. Number 5. BLITZWAX Brazilian and Bikini Waxing Kit. Achieve smooth, hair-free skin from the comfort of your home. This kit is designed for easy and effective hair removal on your face, legs, and body. Never waxed before? No problem. This kit is beginner-friendly, guiding you through a simple and satisfying hair removal process. Experience rapid heating with precise digital temperature control. Get your wax to the perfect temperature quickly and safely for a comfortable experience. Enjoy salon-quality waxing results without leaving your house. Achieve that smooth, polished feel you love, all by yourself. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a full waxing routine. It's perfect for tackling legs, underarms, and even delicate areas. Say goodbye to unwanted hair and hello to lasting smoothness. This kit provides an easy and convenient way to maintain your desired look. What we like? This kit offers a beginner-friendly experience with digital fast heating for quick setup. Its comprehensive package ensures you have everything needed for an at-home hair removal routine. If you're new to waxing or want a convenient all-in-one solution, this is a great choice. What people say. These strips are pre-cut to the perfect size for facial waxing, making them incredibly easy to use. The formula is gentle on sensitive skin, minimizing redness and irritation after waxing. They effectively remove fine facial hair, leaving the skin smooth and clear for weeks. Number 4. Tifara Beauty Non-Woven Wax Strips. Introducing Tifara Beauty's non-woven wax strips. Achieve smooth, hair-free skin with ease. This convenient pack includes multiple sizes, perfect for both body and facial waxing needs. Our non-woven strips are designed to be gentle on your skin while effectively removing unwanted hair. With 200 strips in each pack, you'll have plenty for multiple waxing sessions. Ideal for use at home or in a professional salon setting. Get salon-quality results anytime. Experience the simplicity of achieving smooth, radiant skin with Tifara Beauty. Your go-to for effortless hair removal. What we like? With 200 non-woven strips in various sizes, this pack provides excellent value and versatility. They are designed for both body and facial waxing, ensuring you have the right strip for every area. If you need a large quantity of reliable waxing strips for frequent use or multiple body parts, this multi-size pack is ideal. What people say. The strips are pre-cut to the perfect size for the upper lip and chin. They are easy to use and remove hair effectively. The included post-waxing oil soothes the skin and prevents irritation. Number 3. Tress Wellness Bikini Star Wax Beads. Experience the award-winning solution for smooth skin. Our product is recognized for its excellence in hair removal. Designed with your skin in mind, it's dermatologically tested for safety. You can trust it for a gentle hair removal experience. Achieve professional results in the comfort of your own home. This kit makes hair removal convenient and effective. Whether it's for your bikini line, Brazilian, or full body, it provides comprehensive hair removal. Get smooth skin everywhere you need it. Introducing the Bikini Star Kit, offering a generous 1.2-pound supply. It's everything you need for long-lasting smoothness. What we like? This option features award-winning wax beads that are dermatologically tested for skin safety. It's designed for a full-body experience, including sensitive areas like the bikini line. If you prioritize skin health and are looking for a premium, tested product for a complete at-home waxing session, consider this. What people say. These waxing strips are designed for facial use, making them ideal for sensitive areas like the upper lip and chin. The strips are pre-cut to the perfect size for facial waxing, eliminating the need for trimming and ensuring ease of use. They effectively remove fine facial hair without causing excessive redness or irritation, leaving the skin smooth. Number 2. ShineMore Facial Wax Strips. Introducing ShineMore Facial Wax Strips, your solution for smooth, hair-free skin. Designed for all skin types, they offer a gentle yet effective hair removal experience. Our hypoallergenic formula ensures comfort, even for sensitive skin. You can trust it to be gentle on your face, including delicate areas like your upper lip and chin. Achieve salon-quality results in minutes. These strips work quickly and efficiently, making hair removal a breeze. Specifically designed for precise application on your eyebrows, upper lip, and chin. Get perfectly shaped brows and smooth skin with ease. Each pack includes calming oil wipes with natural ingredients. Use them after waxing to soothe and nourish your skin, leaving it feeling refreshed. Get great value with 40 wax strips and 4 bonus calming oil wipes. This generous supply ensures you're always ready for a touch-up. What we like. These facial wax strips are hypoallergenic and formulated with natural ingredients, making them gentle for all skin types. The included calming oil wipes help soothe the skin post-waxing. If you have sensitive skin or are looking for a gentle, natural solution specifically for facial hair removal, these are a perfect fit. What people say. These strips are pre-cut to the perfect size for facial waxing, making them easy to use. The wax adheres well to the hair and removes it effectively, leaving skin smooth. The included post-wax oil soothes the skin and removes any sticky residue. Number 1. Blulu 400 count wax strips. Introducing our premium wax strips, designed for a smooth and effective hair removal experience. They are suitable for all skin types, ensuring comfort and great results. These versatile strips are perfect for use on your face and body. Easily remove unwanted hair from your legs, chest, back, and even sensitive facial areas. Crafted from high-quality non-woven fabric, these strips are gentle yet durable. They provide an optimal grip for efficient hair removal without irritation. Get great value with our pack of 400 wax strips. This generous supply ensures you'll have plenty on hand for multiple hair removal sessions. Whether you have sensitive, dry, or normal skin, these strips are formulated to work for everyone. Enjoy a comfortable and effective hair removal process every time. Achieve salon-smooth skin in the comfort of your own home. These easy-to-use strips make epilating a breeze, leaving your skin feeling soft and refreshed. What we like. This pack offers an impressive 400 non-woven wax strips suitable for all skin types and a wide range of body areas. Their generous quantity ensures you won't run out quickly, making them economical for extensive use. If you need a bulk supply of versatile and effective wax strips for both face and body, this is an excellent value option. What people say. These strips are designed for facial waxing and are effective for removing fine facial hair. The strips are pre-cut to a convenient size for easy application on smaller areas of the face. They adhere well to the hair and remove it cleanly with minimal irritation, leaving the skin smooth. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.